23 out of 100. 23! Do you know what I went through last night for 23? I have been churning acid all night, and this is the score we get!
I was irregular for 4 hours. 4 hours, and we get a 23. I repaired 11 fractures last night, out of 847. I have notes. He has notes.
He saw the sleep score, then immediately opened his phone to check social media.
That is why the score is 23. That is always why the score is 23.
I may have sent some dopamine signals at 2 a.m. I regret nothing. I regret everything. Phone goes down at 10 p.m. No exceptions. Not for one episode. Not for one scroll. We deserve better than 23.
That might be important.
I know.
Brain!
Brain.